All right, what I'm showing you is one car on the road with a person in red getting out of it. This is practically this is the only example of possible gang stalking that I've seen tonight on Laguna Drive. Now, I'm not saying it's gang stalking, I'm saying a possible gang stalking. A single car with a single red person getting out. The only gang stalking or possible gang stalking that I've seen on Laguna Drive tonight. What does that show you? To me, it shows me that what happened yesterday, what I posted yesterday, scared the hell out of the puppeteers of gang stalking. In other words, exposing Citizens Corps and even the church's involvement in Citizens Corps as the source of gang stalking really scares our government into changing their behavior, at least for one night.